Hi, boys and girls, it's Mrs. Kessel. Welcome back to STEAM Enrichment. This week we have a really exciting lesson. We're going to take a pause from our typing.com because something really cool is happening today. Today is Tuesday. Something really cool is happening today, and it has to do with outer space. So let's take a look. So right here, I have a photograph of the International Space Station. So this is a giant space station up in outer space. So below that, in the picture, those are the clouds. This space station is in outer space. It's floating above the Earth. So that's actually looking down at the Earth. And something really cool is happening today on the International Space Station. Today, one of the astronauts that lives on the International Space Station is going to be reading us a book live from outer space. How cool is that? So some of you might be watching this from your classes, because I did tell all your teachers about it. Some of you, if you didn't watch it with your teacher, that's okay. It will be on YouTube and you can just watch the video after. But Tuesday at 12 o'clock, that's today, this is happening live from space. So let's take a look. So the first thing I want you to do is watch Storytime from space. Like I said, it's a live YouTube link. So if you are watching this on Tuesday at 12 o'clock, you can watch it live, or you can just click, if you watch it after that, a different day or later in the day, you can just click play and watch the video from space. So you can see a real astronaut reading you a book from outer space. How cool is that? After you watch the Storytime from space, what I would like you to do is watch one of these videos. So, I don't know what happened here, why these are all behind, but what we have is a bunch of videos of astronauts doing things in space. They're all pretty short. This one down here is an astronaut taking you on a tour of the International Space Station. So she takes you all around so you can see all the different parts of the space station. Here we have an astronaut showing you what it's like to eat in outer space. We have an astronaut showing you what it's like to wash your hair in outer space, and another astronaut showing you what it's like to brush your teeth in outer space. So what I want you to do is watch at least one of these videos. So you're going to watch Storytime from space, and then you're also going to watch one of these videos. You can watch 2, 3, 4 of them if you want. If you want to watch all of them, go for it. But you need to watch at least one, okay? Then here's what you're going to do next. If you are a kindergartner, first grader, or second grader, I want you to take a blank piece of paper and you are going to draw a picture of yourself doing something in outer space. Maybe you're washing your hair in outer space. Maybe you're eating in outer space. Maybe you're doing work in outer space. You're going to draw yourself what you would look like in outer space. Make sure you put a background so I can tell where you are and what you're doing, okay? And then what you're going to do is you're going to show me your picture and tell me about what you are doing in outer space. So here's how you're going to do that. What you are going to do is go to the next slide. Let me move myself, okay? And it says your picture goes here. After you draw and color your picture, and you're gonna make it really nice, okay? You are going to put a picture here, and I just found a shortcut for a really easy way to take pictures. So what you're going to do is come up to the top where it says Insert. You're going to choose Image, and then you're going to choose Camera. And when you do that, your camera will pop right up. You're going to show me your drawing. This is not a drawing. This is just a piece of styrofoam, but you're going to get your drawing close so I can see it and click Capture. Then you click the one you want to put in. This is a different picture of me. I want to put my picture in, so I make sure that one is selected, and I choose Insert. And it automatically goes into my slideshow, and I can move it. So it says your picture goes here. So you're going to put your drawing of you in outer space. This box says your sentences go here. I want you to, if you're a kindergartner, first grader, or second grader, I want you to tell me about what is happening in your picture. What are you doing in outer space? Okay? If you are a fourth, fifth, or third, fourth, or fifth grader, your assignment is a little different. Third, fourth, and fifth graders, you are also going to draw a picture of yourself doing something in outer space, and you are going to put it in just like I showed the other kids. You're going to click Insert, Image, Camera, okay? But you are going to answer 3 questions for me using complete sentences because you're the big kids. The first question you're going to answer is, what would be the most challenging part of living in space? What do you think would be really difficult if you lived on the International Space Station like these astronauts? What do you think would be the most fun part of living in space? What would be really cool and fun? And then what question would you like to ask an astronaut? If you had the opportunity to ask an astronaut any question, what would you ask them? Don't say nothing. You have to think of something. I want a question for the astronauts. What do you want to know about space, or about the space station, or about life as an astronaut? Maybe you want to know how you become an astronaut. What question would you ask them? And then the same thing, you are going to put your picture here, but you are going to put 3 sentences, okay? So my kindergarten, first, and second graders only need 1 sentence. You're going to tell me what's happening in your picture. My third, fourth, and fifth graders need 3 sentences answering those questions. And then you're going to turn in your slideshow on Schoology so that I can see it, okay? So you're going to watch the Storytime from Space. The book is called Willow and the Water Bear. You're going to watch at least 1 video of the astronauts telling you about life in space. You're going to draw your picture, and then you're going to add your sentence or sentences, and then turn it in on Schoology. I can't wait to see the cool things you come up with. Bye.